Hello. I might be back or not. Anyways, this is another scripting tutorial, and this is how to make server messages. But this is not how you typically see server messages done, because this uses chat speakers to make the message. So, let's get right into this by inserting a script into script service, and this is going to be a module script. Let's call this message module, and let me just quickly do this, and I'm just going to add these semicolons. You don't need to do that, so I can type. Actually, I'm not doing underscore. Wrong service. Server script service. Alright, so start off by getting the chat service, which is server storage, or server script service, my bad. Wait for child chat service runner, and then wait for child to chat service. So now that you have that, let's create a function. Run. Actually, I'll just do chat, because we have a variable named chat service. So actually, my bad, it's actually just chat. Now you don't need a parameter here, so this is actually stupid. All you have to do is a chat. So we add a speaker with the name we want the thing to be. So I want this thing to have the name, what's it called again? So I want to have the speaker name of server. So it's gonna say server and then a message in the later on stuff. So now we want to make this join the channel, and the channel that everyone speaks in is by default called all, so that's why we do that. Then we want to make a loop, or whatever you want to do. So here we're just gonna do and let's see, so we need to do the server bot. Actually wait, I actually just need to put in this. Now I am technically pretty rusty, and right now I have to be honest, I'm reading off of my second monitor what I have to do. So I apologize if this is bad. Then we do a message, let's just say a testing message, and then we do a channel, which we can just make all, and that function we're setting up down here now. So make sure you call it the same as before. It's to bot comma message comma channel. Do local speaker equals chat service get speaker or nil. So if it doesn't find the speaker by the name, it's just gonna be nil. If not, so if the speaker wasn't found, or it's nil, I mean, it's just gonna stop the function, because otherwise it's just gonna give an error. So let's set some extra data here. Now I just want this to be green, because why not? And I just realized that I need to add semicolons, because I'm currently also doing JavaScript, which is why semicolons are something that I'm gonna start placing more. Now I want to set some chat color extra data. Let's just give it a nice yellow color, because why not? Then we want to make it say the message. Just like that. And I'm actually going to return this. I don't think it really matters. So now that we have the module, let's move this to server storage actually. And then we'll insert a server script. And let's just call this message mod. The name doesn't really matter. It will just require the module we made. Not starter GUI. Right, so that's basically going to be that. So now we're going to play this. And I don't know if chat would pop up now, but so when we play this, we need to go get the chat modules, because this is gonna start spamming the output when you do this. So we get the chat modules, go to chat service runner, go under speaker, just scroll down, down. Just need to see here. Let's see. It's getting closer. We need to look for a function here. It's right about here. Here it is. Internal send system message. Delete this after this p call. And then we need to find where the other print is. Actually, it's these two, my bad. It's these two we need to remove. So let me add that back, because that doesn't affect us. So it's the let's see, where's this again? It's right about here, isn't it? Yeah, this is pretty awkward. It's further down. I've seen it a second ago, so I apologize about this. I didn't write down the line. So here they are. Line 242 and 252. Delete these two like that. Publish this to Roblox. Go to your game, which I've just put up here. And now that you've found the game, you just want to join the game like I'm doing. And when we play this game, if I did everything right, we should start seeing server messages every 5 seconds. Unless I did something wrong. And I did a simple mistake, my bad. I forgot to actually call the function run, which that's my bad. I apologize for that. And I don't know if you could tell, but I don't actually edit my vids, and I just accidentally opened the wrong thing. But yeah, I don't actually edit my videos. I basically just keep the raw, because first of all, I don't have an editor. Second of all, I just don't really want to edit vids. So as you can see, we start getting a server message up here. It has a green name and a yellow text, and let's perhaps change this to like, let's find a color in here. Let's just make it a cyan color. It doesn't really matter what color it is. Then change this. Oh shoot. Change that to the cyan, and this, we can actually remove this line if we just want a white. Now this is going to make it a little bit easier to see that it does actually work. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I personally haven't seen that many videos on this, so I figured I'd make a video about it, because I prefer to make videos on less known topics. But as you can see, it makes this, and the output stays clear. So I'm gonna make this a model and leave it in the description of this video, so that you don't have to write all of this, and I'll just put instructions there. But as you can see, this just every 5 seconds does this. So if you want to change this so it doesn't do it every 5 seconds, you just need to require this module in the script and just do, let's say in here I want to make it local mod equals, and then we can just do mod make message, and then we can do these 3 arguments, and that way you'll be able to use it in different scripts instead of just using it every 5 seconds here. That's something you can change, and you can just delete this. But yeah, that was this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. I might come out with more tutorials soon, perhaps on how to make chat tags and such, because it's a simple task and it kind of goes in with this. But anyways, I will see you in the next tutorial, which might be in a decade or not, I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you.